how to record the penalty, which is levied by the customer. And I was telling you, so there are basically four broad categories of the expenses. The first category is the cost of sales. Second category is SG&A. Third category is depreciation and amortization. But please remember, sometimes depreciation and amortization is already forming part of the cost of sales, and that is what you have to remember. So if you have already taken the cost of depreciation and amortization as part of your cost of sales, then you have to ensure that you don't bring it once again. And the fourth category of the expenses is the financial cost, and financial cost is the interest cost. So any expense that you are incurring, just ask yourself as to where will this expense fit. So if I am paying levy on account of failure of the product by the customer, so this expense is happening on account of what? Is this expense happening on account of sales? Answer is yes. So it will be part of your selling and general and administrative expenses. So this is how you would do. If the cost is happening on account of interest, it will be part of the interest cost and things like that. Okay. So let's come back to this once again, and we were discussing here how to calculate the current free cash flow, which is the total cash flow in your hand. So you start with the operating cash flow, make adjustment for increase in the fixed assets and also for decrease in the fixed assets, then the changes in the working capital. You arrive at the figure of current free operating cash flow, and in the current free operating cash flow, make adjustment for the financial expenses and financial income, and what you get is your current free cash flow in your hand. So this is how you will do. Now friends, what we will do, we are okay, again dropped.